members, currently we are open for Poland able Seamen to join with our RORO vessels, Italian flag, and with more than 20,000 gross ton, very big vessels. Yeah, the salary will be 3,100 euro per month net, plus social security will paid by our owner. The requirement, you need to have basic Italian knowledge. If you didn't have it, you can learn it first, and we can provide you our learning module to learn basic Italian. And you need to have one of able Seaman COC. It's no problem with decorating 2/4 or 2/5. It will be better. Yeah. The rotation will be 2 months. 4 months on and 1.5 months off. Yeah. If you are interested for these vacancies, please you can send your application to our email as soon as possible, because this is for as soon as possible joining. Yeah, or you can put it directly to our database. We will waiting your application. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend in Poland. Bye bye.